Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to customize your layer with colors in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular layer right here. So I want to decide to change the color to red. And for that, what I'm going to do is to come to the layer and make the layer active. Right click on the layer. Then you have to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to color. Then you have all available color right here. So I can decide to give this particular layer red color. So you can see it's going to be reflected in my layer right here. So I can move to next layer right here. So this particular layer also, I can decide to label it with a color. So right click on the layer, go ahead and click on color. So this one right here, I can use this particular seafoam color. So you have it right here. I can move to this text layer right here, right click on it. Then I'll make sure I go ahead and click and hold down right here, then go to color. So this one right here, I can add magenta. So you can go on and give your layer different kind of color in order to make your work more easy and make your layer easy to identify. So this one right here, I will right click on it again, go to color. So I'm going to give this one this type of indigo color right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.